Yes. Do you know how carrots are grown? Well, check this out. Yes, so carrots, they are tubers. They grow underground. So yes, you want to moisten the soil before you reap them. And yes, so this is our first fruit of carrots, or first fruit of carrots. Yes, and did you know that the leaves can be eaten? Yes, you can put it in your green juice and you can put it in your salads. Yes, waste nothing, nothing wasted. So, yes, this is our first fruits of carrots. And we're happy how they have come out. Yes, they could have been bigger, but hey, it is a blessing to eat what you grow. And yes, carrots should not be transplanted. Did you know? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.